ISE. How's the show been this week for you?
So far, pretty amazing, I must say. So we had a lot of customers, a lot of partners, great interest into the new products that we launched a couple of weeks back.
So with the Rally Pro AI now, we've got 2 cameras. We've got AI camera and a PTZ camera. With that now, we can do stuff like speaker tracking, we do grid view and camera zone. And also all the insights and analytics with that device as well.
It looks really cool as well. The fact that you can do it from the ceiling, you've got multiple cameras, you can do it from the wall. And I guess it's really cost effective because you can just replace the old Rally camera and upgrade it with the new one.
Exactly.
So customers are definitely going to like that.
It's definitely a winner and there's a lot of demand around that camera as well.
It is the Video Installation World Cup, the World Cup final here in Barcelona at ISE. The fastest and the best installations of Logitech Microsoft Teams Room in the world.
Amazing initiative, but I love how competitive people are while they're there. So the highlight of my year is the Maverick party. Are you looking forward to it?
Absolutely. We've got 2 back-to-back parties. We had the Logi party last night and obviously we've got the Maverick one tomorrow.
Can't wait to host you. Thank you so much for coming.
That's okay. We're looking forward to 2026 together.
Roll on this year.